Hey Clubbers, it's spooky season. I have 3 great projects. Stay tuned. We're going to start by getting into character by applying these spooky Halloween nails from Kiss. Here you see me just making sure that my nails fit each finger, because what a fright if one pops off. Next, I push back my cuticles gently, because no one wants cuticles raising up like skeletons from the grave. Then I buff my nails in a similar fashion as a murderer sharpens their knives. And then I clean up my mess. To apply the nails, I apply a generous amount of glue. This is the same glue that came in the package. And I apply the press-on nail using a sliding motion and rocking the nail back and forth, making sure to press down so that it fully adheres. Using a Q-tip, I clean up any evidence left behind. And here are our nails completed, and they're sharp enough to cut through anything, which will actually come in handy for our next project. I decided to have a pumpkin carving contest with my family, and I decided to bring you guys along. I got my pumpkins from Walmart and the carving kits from the Dollar Tree. So here you see me cutting out the bottom of my pumpkin, so that way I can pull out all of the insides, saving the pulp and the seeds for later because we're going to use them at the end. And then I am going ahead and cutting out my eyes, my nose, and my mouth. The tools to cut actually worked pretty well. The knife has a sawtooth blade, and that helps to really get in there, cutting out the flesh of the pumpkin and making sure you use the scoop with the jagged edges so that you can scoop out all of the insides of the pumpkin. Now, if you are underage or small, make sure you have an adult to help you with this part. Make sure to use your creativity. My poor pumpkin had a little snot coming out of his nose, so we just pulled it on out for him. Then I went ahead and continued to cut my pumpkin to carve out his mouth. And some people, you might have to do that for real in real life because they talk too much. But I digress. You continue to cut around your drawing, or if you used a printout, you can cut around and trace your printout. You can decorate your pumpkin as you see fit. Customization is up to you. Here are 3 jack-o'-lanterns. Make sure you vote below, A, B, or C. And for our last project of the evening, we're gonna roast pumpkin seeds, because we have 3 pumpkins that we have fully pulled out all of their guts. We're going to maximize the usage. We're going to boil their insides and make a tasty snack. So let's prepare our pumpkin seeds. You're going to add water to a saucepan, making sure you have enough to cover your pumpkin seeds. We're going to boil them so that they come out more done. And you're going to add a little bit of salt and give them a stir. Once our innards are boiling, our pumpkin seeds are boiling, they'll look like this. Then you'll drain them and make sure to dry them completely. So to cook our pumpkin seeds, we're going to do them 2 different ways. One batch we are going to do in the oven, which will be our salted. We're going to lay them out on our baking sheet, and I've preheated the oven to 350. We're going to add a little bit more salt and a little bit of oil. I'm using olive, but you can grease your pumpkin seeds as you see fit. And you're going to place them in the oven and roast them for 20 to 30 minutes, making sure to shake them up halfway through their baking time. And this is what they should look like, nice and toasted. The other way that we're going to bake our pumpkin seeds is to use our air fryer. We're going to set it on 350, and for the air fryer, you're only going to cook them for 12 minutes. I'm doing 2 different flavors of pumpkin seeds with this method, making sure to add your cooking spray. These will be our dill pumpkin seeds. After I add my seasoning, I add a little bit more cooking spray and place them in to roast. This is what they came out looking like. And for our third batch, we're going to repeat the process. This time, we're going to be seasoning these with everything bagel. Add a generous amount and place back in the air fryer, cooking on 350 again, spraying with your cooking spray, and air frying for 12 minutes, making sure to shake them up. Once our pumpkin seeds are completed and fully cooked, we're going to add them to these adorable little mason jars. 1 jar for each flavor. Then, because we'll be setting these out, we're going to add labels. And I'm just using some little sticker tags and popsicle sticks and glue dots. And here are our pumpkin seeds complete. We have our dill, our everything bagel, and our salted. These came out so good, you guys. They are literally to die for. Hey clubbers, thanks for allowing me to play around with this video this week. I don't personally celebrate Halloween, but I thought that it would make for some fun content, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell for notifications. And remember to vote down below and let me know which pumpkin you think won the contest. All right, I love you guys wherever you are and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. I love you. Bye.